Oh, look at this. We're on a speedboat. No, we're not on a speedboat. We're on a slow boat. We decided against the speedboat. We're on the slow boat. But look at this. Look. What a view. What a view. So we're going to be heading out to the world famous Needles. I've never been on the boat before to go check them out either, so I'm really looking forward to this. Like, really looking forward to it. And we're off. What a gorgeous day. What a gorgeous day here, Cody.
Well, good morning everybody and welcome on board the good ship Yarmouth Road. Now, we're going to take you on a fine little trip. Conditions are near perfect. We're going to make our way out to the lighthouse, which is about a mile away. And when we get there, we'll stop the boat for a few minutes, give you a fine view and a great photo opportunity. As we go round, we'll tell you a bit about the local area, tell you about our 3 Victorian ports.
I have to say, it doesn't feel like that lighthouse is a mile away.
No. Even high, I think.
Shouldn't know what they're doing there.
Just like the big ferry, okay, I'm going to come back.
We've picked good seats.
And that will be £9. £9 for an adult, but only £6 for a child aged between 3 and 14.
So there, if you caught that, £9 for adult, up to, well, 15 plus, and £6 for children.
It's all gone. So if you want to pay cash, it'll have to be the right money.
Open.
Yeah. Gonna get a nice dip as well.
So it sort of comes out, comes around, look at this, look. Now I've never been on a trip to the Needles before. I've been coming here since I was at school.
Yeah.
There was no school trip for you, was there?
No?
No school trip for him, but this was like the school trip when I was at school to come over here, and we came down, but again, we never had an option to actually come out to the Needles. Here's the fast boat. So the fast boat is a 15-minute tour, £17.50, so it's nearly double the price of the slow boat. I have to say, this is much more scenic. Much more scenic. It looks so small where we come from. So these are the famous sand cliffs. You can see the colours on them even from here, with the chairlift going up the middle. Just look how gorgeous it looks. How cool is this?
This is amazing. Look, wow.
How cool is this? Apologies if there is any wind noise. A little bit of wind today, but they said near perfect conditions here on the Isle of Wight at the Needles. I've never been out this close or this far to the Needle. Never seen it this close.
If you're curious about the name of the Needles, we think there was once a fourth needle one. In the middle of that larger gap. A very tall, slender column of chalk once stood there. Sadly fell down in a violent storm, 1764. The name the Needles, but that's stuck the same ever since. And that was placed up there back in the late 80s. So it's fully automatic in 1958.
1858.
So it was great. The job of the lighthouse keeper came to an end in December of 1994. Now we just catch the engineers topping it. Usually they come in with a small boat and land at the steps when the weather's suitable, like today. But they can fly in on top with a helicopter.
There we go, so it's been unmanned since 1994, which is actually
17 miles at night time.
probably shorter time than what we thought.
What it's mostly guarding of is a very shallow chalk ledge, continuation these needle rocks here, like about a mile out to that black and yellow buoy behind us. On there lies the remains of an old British ship known as the Barbassi. Back in 1947, she operated an industrial power engineering and soon struck the rocks.
can really see a difference, can't you, Cody, between sort of the inner here and how rough it is over there. Because I did sort of wonder whether we'd go around it and come back, but look at the water difference between it.
Also looks like that you can tell where the waves are coming from.
Yeah. Yeah. But it's so much rougher once you're in here. This is actually really calm.
They're naturally occurring, they're not man-made.
Sorry.
Countless years of wave action grinding away at space. Most of the surface rays
So these won't be here forever, I would argue. Definitely won't, will they?
Huh?
Won't be here forever, these, will they? Stunning, absolutely stunning. Yeah, really like that. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what you're saying is the old factory houses, look, are just in the cliffs there. You can actually see windows and things. No idea how you'd access those. But that's just incredible. I've never noticed that from the shoreline all the years I've been coming. Little things like that really sort of open your eyes when you come out here. What a beautiful view. Now, if you follow our other video, you will get a closer look of these.
It got rolled onto its side, or stood up if you like. Anyway, now it's vertical. Looking good in this bit of sunshine this morning. It's an ever-changing picture. You'll see there's some quite substantial piles of sand along the beach. It's constantly shedding and being eroded. And the advantage of that is that it exposes brighter, cleaner sand bidding.
That was our boat. I enjoyed that. That was good, wasn't it?
Very good.
There we go. That is the boat tour of the Needles. To get down and see it, you can take the fast boat there, £9 an adult, £6 a child, or the speedboat, which is actually out at the moment. They do have a second one of those, which is £17.50, or I think £62 if you're in a family of 4, which is really good. If you want to see any more from Needles, stay with us on the channel. There'll be a separate one for it. But thank you for joining us.